Hi, my name is Jamile Santos.
My name is Helena Navegantes.
And my name is Wilson Siqueira.
In this video, we are going to talk about our article
Initial proposals for the implementation of the Product-to-Service System at the Universidade do Estado do Pará, UEPA.
The transformations that the planet is suffering in the past few years are notorious. Scarcity of natural resources such as water, high pollution, rates coming from the industrial waste and excessive consumption. For this cause, countless conferences, laws, international projects, and actions have been created, aiming to take better care of the planet we live through and sustainable development. In this sense, the product services system appears as an innovation alternative that changes the way of consumption without taking the economic bias and focusing on social satisfaction on the sustainable development potentialization.
In the Universidade do Estado do Pará, UEPA, which is a public higher education institution that has 5 camps. Campus 5 is the Center of Natural Science and Technology, located here in Belém, capital of Pará State, Brazil, where there is a total of 9 undergraduate courses, among 10 the course of Baccalaureate in Design. It is already in force of Product-to-Service System project, which consists of car rentals. The car, that was previously in institution possession, and generated constant problems due to bureaucratic processes for its repair or substitution. It started to be rented from a company which montes and replaces whenever necessary, making UEPA responsible for paying a monthly fee. It is believed that there are other possibilities of product-to-service system implementation on the institution. Therefore, the objective of this research is to propose initial discussions of product-to-service system implementation in other products on Universidade do Estado do Pará, Campus 5.
To the elaboration of the initial proposals of product-to-service system in Universidade do Estado do Pará, it was used the brainstorm tool proposed by Baxter, which is recognized as was a shaking of ideas made in group to initiate possible resolutions on the proposed problem, making basing on the principle of the more ideas, the better. The analysis of the conceptual elements, it was solved to generate only result-oriented product-service system proposals. Science was in the case of the successful implementation of car rental. The objective is to reduce as much as possible the possession of the institution on the products, saving it from managing them.
Through brainstorming, 8 opportunities of product-to-service system implementations were identified. 4. Rainwater harvesting, solar energy generation, provision of buildings, provision of furniture, air conditioning, computer, projector, and printer. The rainwater harvesting purpose consists of hiring a company that will be responsible for providing a product that will be guaranteed the rainwater harvesting. The solar energy generation purpose consists of hiring a company that would install and be responsible for maintenance and or supply the solar panels. The provision of buildings purpose consists of hiring a company that will be responsible for building more classrooms and research laboratories and maintenance of some of the space of the institution as a way to reach UEPA expansion. The provision of furniture purpose consists of hiring a company that, initially, will do the actual UEPA's furniture maintenance for a period of 2 years. After that, we would have the project ownership and be responsible for maintenance and or supply, and likewise would be the air conditioning, computer, projectors, and printers purpose.
Final stage of definitions of requirements, it was aimed to make the ideal proposals. Therefore, all of them were result-oriented regarding the conceptual elements proposed by Beren, Souza, Zomer, and Kauchik Miguel. The present ideals in a way common to all of the product-to-service system proposals generated were to plan the payments for an outsourced activity, to plan the product property belonging to providers of service, to outsource a service in which the provider delivers outcome, and to meet the consumers, offering personalized results without purchasing the products. This helped to understand the application of a product-to-service system defined by its business, plan and how it would work in a way that benefits its provider and the university. Responding to several guidelines such as if the product is customized service to whom it belongs to worship the product, it results in a scale of economy among others.
In general, the application of the used methodologies are made at meeting the needs of the university through the user-oriented product service system. Thereby, it will be discussed with the university's management to verify which proposals around interest to be applied.
Developing research by the article wishes to solve the current university problems, also aiming sustainability. In the case of the university adopts in the near future those product service system proposed, this will serve as model and inspiration to other institutes and companies. However, it's necessary to in-depth develop the topics listed as possible product service system applications, because the study focus was restricted to only the analysis of requirements.
Since it is intended to give continuity to this work with extension projects to the effective and qualitative implementation of such a system, answering the resolutions of problems in the local of study and potentializing the search of a more sustainable future. It is suggested as future works the replication of this one in other national public institutions that have a similar reality to the one studied in this case.
Thank you.